Hemos visto que no.
Ok, dice que cuando no tengamos a nadie, le pongamos.
A little better?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just giving you a moment there just to recoup, okay?
Yes.
All right. So I'm going to explain everything I've been doing, the adjustments, so you understand what I'm doing, okay?
Yep.
Now, I do have one more question.
Yeah.
You said that the injury they told you was at L5S1?
L4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Why were they injecting down here? They were doing a heart or a aortic surgery. Do you know?
I wish I did.
Okay.
That's why it's malpractice, man.
Yeah, I know. I'm just wondering if they told you anything. Even if it's an excuse, I want to hear what their thought process was, because I don't understand why, if they're doing a chest surgery, why they're injecting them.
I caught them talking about it when I was still asleep from the surgery.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I'll explain what I'm doing. You have muscles that run on either side of the spine that are called spinal muscles, and those muscles are not under conscious control.
Yeah.
Okay, what I mean by that is you cannot tighten or loosen them like you can with the bicep or like you can with the calf.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Now, when you stretch a muscle that is under conscious control, okay, even though you don't have full control over this muscle, but you stretch them, you feel all of that tightens up.
Yeah.
That is a normal response, even though there's decreased movement or decreased control of those muscles.
Yeah.
Okay? Now, when we stretch those muscles, they tighten up. Now, when we stretch muscles that are not under conscious control, like your spinal muscles, those muscles should relax. In your case, based on what we're seeing, you have increased tone on this left side, okay? And you're basically leaning over into that left side. The right side is trying to compensate, especially up in this upper area, and there's increased tone in this right upper area. Okay? You're going to notice that when we bend, okay, when we stretch, those muscles are not doing a very good job of relaxing. So that?
Yeah.
Breathe.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh.
I want you to feel the difference, okay?
Baby.
I'm going to vibrate, okay? On the bottom of the foot, reflex. I'll stimulate up with your brain. And the reflex on the tendon. Now loosen up muscle. Allow me to adjust.
Okay.
A little bit easier, right?
Yeah.
There we go. Okay. Beautiful. Now that's going to allow me to adjust. Okay, when we adjust, you're going to feel the table lift up, drop down, and make a noise just like that.
Okay.
The table making a noise. Right here, and you're going to feel the table drop. Just like that. Okay?
Yeah.
Right there, we're going to create a little bit of inflammation. That's how the body, that's how those joints are going to heal. Go. And then right here, there we go. great.